Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively using your iPad. First, select a robust note-taking application such as GoodNotes or Notability. These offer powerful annotation tools. Next, create a clear folder structure for all your subjects, ensuring easy access to materials. Always begin your study sessions with a fully charged device, providing hours of uninterrupted learning. Finally, enhance your experience with an external keyboard and an Apple Pencil for precise input and comfortable typing. Active note-taking is crucial for retention. Utilize the split-screen feature to display your textbook alongside your notes, allowing for seamless information transfer. Employ a color coding system for highlighting, perhaps green for definitions and blue for examples, to quickly identify important concepts. Directly annotate lecture slides or readings with your Apple Pencil, adding personal insights and diagrams. Many apps also allow you to generate flashcards from your notes, perfect for quick recall practice. Effective organization and consistent review are vital for long-term memory. Implement a tagging system for your notes, using keywords like exam, chapter 5, or biology to streamline future searches. Make it a habit to revisit your notes frequently, perhaps for 15 minutes every other day, to reinforce learning. Consolidate information from lectures, textbooks, and online resources into a single, comprehensive document. The powerful search function within your note-taking app can save you valuable time. Elevate your study game with advanced iPad techniques. Record lectures directly into your note-taking app, automatically syncing the audio with your written notes for later review. Explore mind mapping applications to visually connect ideas and understand complex relationships. Collaborate seamlessly with study partners by sharing documents and working together in real time, fostering a dynamic learning environment. Always remember to export your valuable notes as PDFs for secure backup and effortless sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.